Okay, YouTube. So today I'm going to show you how the salt system, the Intex salt system, works and is set up. Basically, the way it works is you have your water comes out of the pool and it goes into the filter. Once it comes out of the filter, in my case, I have a heater. If you have a heater, it goes into the heater, then out to the salt system. If you don't, it goes from the filter out into your salt system, through the salt system, and then back into the pool. The Intex salt system itself, this thing is nice and easy to use. Basically what you do is you take it, see there's a lock unlock button right here. You take it, you unlock it, you choose the timer. How many hours a day do you want it to run? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For my pool, I run it 8 hours a day, and that seems to be perfect for me. Some people run it for 5. You may have to check and see what works great for you. This has a boost mode, so if you run it on boost mode, it runs for, I think it's like 40 hours straight. So when you first start setting up the pool, you want to run it in boost mode. After that, it should be able to run in regular mode. Every once in a while, if you get a lot of rain, maybe a few inches, maybe you want to run it in boost mode again. But this thing really makes life nice and easy. It runs in, it runs out, it goes through this cell here, and it is pretty much hands-free. It makes life so much easier. And my pool itself, if you look, the water is nice and clean and clear, and it takes really very little maintenance. If you like this video, check out some of my other pool videos or some of my other videos. Subscribe, give me a like. Anyway, have a great day. I hope this was helpful.